Welcome back to our weekly cybersecurity news roundup for the week of March 25th, 2024, where we dive into cyber headlines that shaped the week to keep you informed and protected. Let's get started. First up, U.S. charges Chinese state-sponsored hackers, imposes sanctions. In this week's cybersecurity news, the U.S. Department of Justice has leveled charges against 7 Chinese nationals for extensive cyber espionage targeting American businesses and politicians. Additionally, the Department of Treasury imposed sanctions on the shell company behind APT-31, a threat group funded by China's Ministry of State Security. Collaborating with UK law enforcement, the DOJ identified the cybercriminals as affiliates of APT-31, residing in the People's Republic of China. Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco revealed that the APT-31 campaign spanned over 14 years, comprising more than 10,000 malicious emails and thousands of victims. While this action signifies a significant move against Chinese cyber threats, cybersecurity experts emphasize the evolving nature of these attacks. John Hiltquist from Mandiant Intelligence highlights the increasing stealth and sophistication of Chinese state-sponsored hackers, indicating a shift towards more strategic espionage efforts. However, despite sanctions and charges, the challenge remains. Chinese perpetrators remain beyond the reach of U.S. law enforcement. Callie Gunther of Critical Start stresses the necessity for international collaboration to effectively counter state-sponsored cyber threats, urging stronger cyber defenses and intelligence sharing among nations. Next, new MFA-bypassing phishing kit targets Microsoft 365, Gmail. Cyber threat escalates. Cybercriminals have launched a sophisticated phishing-as-a-service platform dubbed Tycoon 2FA, targeting Microsoft 365 and Gmail accounts while evading two-factor authentication protection. Discovered by Sequoia analysts in October 2023, Tycoon 2FA has evolved into a stealthy and widespread threat with over 1,100 domains and thousands of observed phishing attacks. This phishing-as-a-service kit orchestrates multi-step attacks, intercepting session cookies to bypass MFA mechanisms effectively. The attack process involves 7 distinct stages, from distributing malicious links via emails to presenting fake login pages and mimicking 2FA challenges to steal credentials covertly. Recent updates to Tycoon 2FA include enhancements to JavaScript and HTML code, demonstrating a continuous effort to improve evasion capabilities. Moreover, the scale of operations is significant, with evidence of broad cybercriminal utilization and substantial cryptocurrency transactions linked to threat actors. This development underscores the evolving sophistication of cyber threats, necessitating enhanced cybersecurity measures and vigilance among users and organizations alike. And finally, Vermont passes landmark data privacy legislation. In a historic move, the Vermont House of Representatives unanimously passed H-121, a comprehensive data privacy bill setting a national precedent in consumer protection. Under the leadership of Chair Representative Michael Mercati, the House Commerce and Economic Development Committee crafted a technology-neutral proposal after hearing diverse perspectives from stakeholders, aiming to prioritize consumer privacy in the digital age. The Vermont Data Privacy Act, championed by Representative Monique Priestley, empowers individuals with rights to access, delete, and correct their data held by businesses, and provides options to opt out of targeted advertising and data sales. With the absence of federal legislation, Vermont joins 14 states in enacting data privacy laws, positioning itself as a national model in safeguarding consumer privacy rights. Speaker of the Vermont House, Representative Jill Kerwinski, lauds the passage of this landmark bill, emphasizing its significance in ensuring the security and dignity of every Vermonter in the digital landscape. And that concludes our look at this week's top cybersecurity stories. As the digital landscape evolves, staying informed is your first line of defense. If you found this roundup helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to be notified about new content.